Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of prices not showing on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve prices not showing on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of AliExpress. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.